Hey guys, Zip 2001 from Just Ride. Oh man, what an awesome morning it is. Monday morning, late morning. We are in Gardner. This is Gardner State Forest. I usually ride way up in the back end. This is a front end. There's a nice loop around here. That's where more hikers go and a lot of riders go. But wow, I tell you what. Last year at this time, this water wasn't even this high. So that's good. We had a great winter. Had a lot of snow. Really helped the water table because it was super low. It's still not great, but better than what it was. Wow. A little breezy this morning. Man, look how nice it is. I keep telling you, man, get outside. Stay active. Keep moving forward. Get that fresh air in your lungs. If you haven't been active in quite a while, take it a little bit at a time. Gradually build yourself up. I know it gets tougher as we get older, but you got to do it. Being more fit doesn't mean you're going to live longer, but it might help you live a little happier longer.